To create the dolly zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve, follow these steps. Firstly, open your clip where you're moving forward or backward, as this effect works best with motion. The fastest way to achieve the dolly zoom effect is to use dynamic zoom. Simply locate dynamic zoom in the toolbar and click on it. Now, the effect is applied. You'll notice that the intensity of the zoom might not be very apparent. This is because the duration of your clip affects the level of zoom. Shorter clips will show a more pronounced zoom effect. But if you wish to have more control over the effect, then go over to this arrow and click on it. Now, select Dynamic Zoom. Now, you'll see red and green boxes representing the start and end points of the zoom effect respectively. Adjusting their positions as you will, and this will create a dolly zoom effect. For finer control over the zoom, you can manually set keyframes. Place a keyframe at the beginning of your clip and another at the end. Then, adjust the zoom level between these keyframes to your liking. Alternatively, you can use the linear option in dynamic zoom to achieve a similar effect without manually setting keyframes. And that's it. This is a quick and easy way to create the dolly zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve.